Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the new updated way to reset your TradingView charts. If your charts are cluttered with indicators, chart drawings, or templates, stick around because I'll walk you step by step to get a clean default chart in no time. Open the chart and access settings first. Open the chart you want to reset. Once it's loaded, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your chart settings. Click on it to open the settings window. Apply the default template inside settings. Navigate to the Canvas tab. Here, you'll find the template dropdown. Click it and select Apply Defaults. This instantly restores your chart to its original clean state. Don't forget to hit OK to confirm. Remove all overlays now. To completely declutter your chart, look at the left-hand toolbar. You'll see a trash can icon. This is your ultimate reset tool. Click it and you'll get prompts to delete all drawings, indicators, and overlays. Confirm these prompts and voila! Your chart is spotless and ready to start fresh. So, to reset your TradingView chart, open your chart, go to Settings, Canvas, apply defaults, then use the trash can icon to remove everything else. Simple, fast, and super effective. And that's it. Your TradingView chart is now reset and clutter-free, ready for a new setup. If you found this tip helpful, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for more TradingView tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.